So today, and probably for most of this week, we're going to be tackling a bow sash window. We've taken both outer sashes out, so all four outer sashes, top and bottom sashes, and here you can see inside the chamber 4 weights have got to fit in there. Yeah, but before we do that, we have to get the pulley out, which is up there, which controls the other 4 weights. All you can see is the residue of what was once the 2 pulleys. So that needs to be replaced. Somebody at some point or another has done an awful job up there. You can see the state of the pulleys. That's a little bit of pressure treated timber put in there. Yeah. The stiles are in rag order, and now you'll see how the sash is cut. It's actually cut at an angle so that the window can go out on both sides. So the top sash has to come out first, and then the bottom sash. So we're freeing everything at the moment. There's more paint than anything else on this. To get this up and running and working beautifully is almost definitely almost a week's work. Yeah. So over the course of the week I'll take some videos of what's going on. If you look in here, you'll see that there's been some new outer faces put on. I don't know, did we catch that? Yeah, there's the outer faces. Now, when they were screwed in, what they did is they screwed into the weight housing, so that will catch on any weight that's going up and down, as will that one. So they've all, well, basically it's a rebuild. Yeah, there you see another one, and that's what makes all the scraping sounds and all the noises, and God knows what we're going to find down there. So it's going to be a lot of work, and if I take that up there, you'll see the pulley housings up there. Yeah, they're all shot to pieces, and up there you can see one of the original pulleys up there, which is completely rusted and seized up. So in order to do that, we're going to have to take the stile out, because we're going to put new stiles in anyway. This is the stile. Yeah, that's where the parting bead goes. Yeah. So this is going to be a lot of fun, and as you can probably see better up there, if I can, yeah, how everything is on an angle so that everything goes out, and that's the issue always with a bow sash window. Yeah. And up there we've already taken the housings out. There should be 2. Oh, I'll turn that round. There should be there should be 2 pulleys up there, which actually link the rope, which comes in through those holes up there and goes out through those holes out there in order to attach to the pulley here. Somebody has kindly filled in the pulley housing up there, so that's another job to do. So this is the outside of the window. Somebody at some point or another has glued the outer faces on, and so what we're having to do is we're having to cut through there, so that we've taken the outer beading on. If you see, so we've had to take the outer beading off because you have to do that anyway. Normally you can dismantle the whole thing in one go, but these are new-ish, and whoever put them on didn't want them to come off because they're glued and screwed and you name it, it's done. So what we've done is we've converted back to the way it was done in times of yore. Yeah, they did a very good job on the lead that goes around there. This is going to have to come off. That's the bottom rail, that's curved staff bead, sorry. Yeah, that's all got to be renewed. Yeah, but first of all we had to take the top sash out. Yeah, and the only way to do that, we've got to remove I've lost them. There they are. We've got to remove these two blocks which are holding it up, which should be interesting once we take those off, what happens. So this is probably be a 3 or 4 man job just to make sure that the window stays in one piece. But as you can see, at the moment it's a bit rough, and this is only the bottom sash which comes out last. Normally it's the one that comes out first, but because we're having to work from the outside in, because this is a... Now this is the style of the big bow, and up there, oh dear, there you can see the original pulleys. There you can see what's left of the old one, which is absolutely nothing. And on the other side, there you can see the original pulley, and there you can see what's left of the old one, which was completely rotten. Up here, all of that is rotten. In a nutshell, everything you see is just filler from 100 years. So all of that has got to be repaired before we can go any further. Those are the sashes. They're now out on the scaffolding. We'll have a closer look at those once we've got the frame sorted out. The first thing to do is get the frame sorted out, because until the frame's sorted out, it's pointless working on the sashes. Again, the lead has been done nicely. There just wasn't enough of it. Yeah, so you've got a bloody great hole going down there, which means any water that comes onto here goes straight down there. This whole window is a nightmare. Take the two end bits out. So we put a couple of props up there. It's really double bubble, just to make sure nothing untoward happens. What could possibly go wrong? This is before. And this is after.